Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. Today, us, Group 3, will present to you about crop maintenance machinery. Our company, named as Torio AgriTech, is a farm mechanization company dedicated to empowering farmers and transforming agricultural practices. Our name is inspired by the Japanese word Torio, which means trio, that reflects the collaboration of us three members that consists of me, Nur Haziqah binti Roslee, with matrix number BR22110007, NurFarah Aqilah binti Ahmad, and also Siti Nuratirah binti Mohd Rahil. Next, we continue with the company's organization chart and our job scope. So firstly is our Chief Executive Officer, Ms. NurFarah Aqilah binti Ahmad, that manage company operations, policies, and procedures. Then is Siti Nuratirah as our Chief Financial Officer, that responsible in monitoring the cash flow, financial forecasting, and also the financial performance. And lastly is me, Nur Haziqah, as the Technical Manager that supervises the development of products and technologies in our company.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aqilah binti Ahmad with the matrix number BR22110008. So I will proceed with the introduction. Farm mechanization helps improve agricultural productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. By using advanced machinery, farmers can reduce labor, increase yield, and promote eco-friendly practices. Key tasks like pest control, irrigation, and fertilizer application are essential for healthy crops. At Torio AgriTech, we follow standard operating procedures, which is SOP, to ensure safe and effective equipment. Yes, our goal is to transform agriculture by providing innovative solutions that empower farmers, optimize farming practices, and contribute to community development for a sustainable agricultural future. The objective of this is to extend the three types of selected machines specialized in performing crop maintenance, which are pest disease protection, irrigation, and fertilizer application.
Now, we continue with the tasks performed in crop maintenance, and firstly is the fertilizer application, which is the application of either organic or inorganic fertilizers to improve the soil productivity and crop yield. And the common methods include three types of farm power, and the first is human power, that consists of manual broadcasting and also by using handheld applicators. Next is animal power, is by using animal drawn spreaders. And lastly is mechanical power, that uses tractor mounted spreaders, fertilizer drill, or use foliar spray equipment for liquid types of fertilizers.
The second task of crop maintenance is irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops to help their growth. The common methods we can classify into three. First is human power. We can use manual pumps or carry water in buckets. Second is animal power. We can use pushing wheels. And the third is mechanical power. So for example, motorized pumps, drip irrigation system, and sprinkler system.
Assalamualaikum and hi, Doctor. My name is Siti Nuratirah binti Mohd Rahil. My nometric is BR22110036. So today I would like to explain a bit about the task 3 and crop maintenance task for the third is pest and disease control, which is pest and disease control is prevention of organisms that pose hazards to crops. This pest and disease control can clarify into three methods, common methods, which is human power, animal power, and mechanical power. For human power, we can manually remove the pests, and for the animal power, we can use the animal grazing, and for the mechanical power, we can use handheld sprayers or tractor-mounted pesticides spray.
Okay, now let's take a look at the equipment and machinery used in crop maintenance that available in our company. So first is the MDEC fertilizer spreader with the specification such as the tank material that made of fiberglass with a steel frame that coated in enamel paint to prevent corrosion. Next is the pump and controls that features an AR or Anovi Reverberry diaphragm pump, pressure controls, PTO drive shaft, strainer, and also filter. Next is the spray equipment that includes the circular weeding spray lenses and 2 times 50-meter spray hoses on reels, and the tank also come in few sizes such as 200, 400, 600 and 800 liters to suit tractors from 15 to 100 horsepower. As for the working principles, so this MDEC fertilizer spreader is a tractor mounted spreader. So it will use the tractor PTO to rotate a disc that spreads fertilizer. Then the pressurized liquid fertilizer will flow through nozzles on the boom for an even spraying. And it has adjustable width and speed that ensure the precise application for different crops and field sizes. Next, we continue with the operation of this MDEC fertilizer spreader. So before using it, make sure to check the oil levels, secure the suction lines, and ensure all parts are properly connected. Then, we must test the air pressure in the compression cylinder. And when starting the pump, make sure to run the pump at zero pressure for 1 to 2 minutes to remove any air, and then adjust working the pressure with the control knob and keep the pump speed below 540 RPM to prevent any damages. As for the maintenance, there are 4 main points here, such as cleaning, which clean the tank by flushing with clean water and drain after using it, and the oil maintenance, where we need to check the oil regularly to make sure it's in the required level, and do inspections such as checking the diaphragms, pump and valves annually and only replace if needed. And lastly, storage, or store it in the fully drained the system before storing. Now we talk about the economics for this MDEC fertilizer spreader. So it usually costs $1,500 to $4,000, which equivalent to 6,700 ringgit Malaysia to 18,000 ringgit Malaysia. So of course there are also operating costs such as the fuel, which require 1 to 2 liters per hectare. That costs $2 to $5 per hectare, and also the maintenance that we must do annually is that costs $50 to $100 annually. And lastly, we can save from the labor, as one operator can manage large areas by using the spreader, so it will cut the labor costs. Next is the possible modifications that we can do to cut costs for this spreader, such as using simplified controls that use mechanical instead of hydraulic systems to lower the cost. And then we also can do some features that can be customized by offering modular parts, so farmers pay only for needed features. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The machinery used in crop maintenance that covers in irrigation is pneumatic center pivot irrigation system. For the construction specification of this machine, is the manufacturer is RC30101 Corporation. The material is it constructed with high quality galvanized steel, ensuring the resistance to corrosion and durability in harsh conditions. And the pivot pipeline strength is 9,500 P model features 11 gauge thickness, offering over 10% greater strength compared to the competitors. And the compact pivot point is designed for economical installation and compatibility with existing system. And for the tower height option, it's available in multiple tower height options, including standard, medium, high, and ultra high clearances that's suitable for various crop heights. The working principle of the genetic system, it revolves around the central pivot point where water is pumped into the system and distributed along the pipeline. The motorized towers facilitate the movement of the irrigation span in a circular pattern, ensuring the uniform water application across the field. The advanced control system, it allows precise regulation of irrigation schedules and water distribution, and the pressure regulators and nozzles are integrated to maintain consistent water flow even or uneven terrains that optimize the irrigation process and conserving the water. Operating a genetic center pivot system is straightforward. After installation, the system is programmed using its advanced control panels to meet the specific water requirements of crops. The operator can monitor the system either manually or through remote monitoring tools. Depending on the model's features, adjustments can be made in real time based on environmental conditions such as soil moisture or weather patterns, ensuring that water usage is efficient and tailored to the club's needs. Maintenance of the genetic system is essential for its reliability and efficient performance. Regular inspection of the structural components like pipelines and sprinklers are recommended to identify and address the wear and tear. Moving parts such as tool wheels and joints should be lubricated periodically to prevent mechanical failures. Filters and nozzle must be cleaned to avoid clogging and maintain efficient water flow. Additionally, the electrical system, including wiring and control panels, require routine checks to ensure the proper functionality. Thematic center pivot irrigation systems are a smart investment for farmers seeking long-term irrigation solutions. The initial cost ranging from Rm 58,800 to 168,000 may be high, but the system's durability and low maintenance requirement contribute to substantial savings over time. Its efficient water application reduces waste, cuts water expenses, and supports sustainable farming practices. The system automation lowers labor costs, allowing farmers to allocate resources more effectively. With the last, it requires minimal maintenance, reducing repair expenses, and the financing options make it more affordable. Overall, genetic systems offer a durable, cost-effective solution for efficient and sustainable farming. The genetic system also offers opportunities for customization and modification to meet evolving agricultural needs. Precision irrigation can be achieved by integrating GPS and advanced sensors, enabling site-specific water application for better crop yields. Energy-efficient solutions such as renewable energy sources or low-energy pumps can further reduce operational costs. Upgrading to advanced control panels enhances the monitoring and management capabilities that allow farmers to optimize their irrigation practices.
Alright, next for the third equipment that we've choose is for the pesticides and control. And the construction specification as we can see at the slide, we can see a purpose of the tractor mounted sprayer, tank and pump, bomb and nozzles and control system. So I will explain a bit about this. And purpose of the tractor mounted sprayer is designed for accurate and extensive pesticides application. And the tank is the capacities range from 200 to 2000 liters that is suitable for farms of all size. And for the pump, the type of pump is centrifugal or high pressure diaphragm pumps. And for the bomb is made of lightweight and strong materials like stainless steel or aluminum. And for the nozzles is attached to the bomb and made of durable materials like brass or stainless steel. And for the control system, it includes pressure regulators and flow meters. Okay, the next is about working principle. PTO drives the pump. Firstly is PTO drives the pump. The power take-off, which is PTO, of the tractor provides power to operate the sprayer's pump. And secondly, pressurization of pesticide solution, which is the pump pressurizes the pesticide solution and sends it through hoses to the sprayers of the nozzles. And thirdly, nozzle function. The nozzles atomize the pressurized liquid into tiny droplets for application. And lastly, uniform application is as the tractor moves across the field, the atomized droplets ensure even distribution of the pesticides. Alright, as we can see at the slide, we can see the operation and the maintenance. So first, I will explain a bit about the operation. In this, we have before, during, and after. So before, the sprayer includes a tank with a capacity of 600 liter to 1,200 liter filled with the pesticide solution, and the tractor PTO, which is power takeoff shaft, is connected to power the diaphragm pump, and the hydraulic system allows adjustment of the bomb height and weight directly from the tractor. For the during, steady flow of pesticide solution and uniform pesticide application. And after the operation, operators can retract and adjust the bomb to save positions using the hydraulic system. Okay, for the maintenance, we can explain from the cleaning and pump maintenance, inspection, and how to storage it after clean it. For the cleaning, we can flush the nozzles, tank, and lines with clean water after each use. And for pump maintenance, we can inspect and clean the pump, replace diaphragms and valves annually. And for the inspection, check pumps for damage, hydraulics for leaks, and the PTO shaft for rust. And for the storage is we should fully drain the system before storing to prevent the damage of the machine. So next we look at the economic section of this equipment. So in this slide we has initial investment, efficiency, labor savings, and time savings. And for the initial investment, cost range from 1,260 to 2,655 depending on capacity and features, making it a significant upfront expense. And for the efficiency, it covers large areas quickly and reducing the need for additional equipment and lowering operational costs. And for labor savings, it's operated by a single person and eliminating the need for extra labor. So in this case, we can manage the needed for the labor and we can saving costs from this. And for time savings, it can speed up spraying, ensuring timely treatments and better crop protection. Alright, lastly, we has possible modification, we has customization, precision application, and spraying versatility. So customization, from my opinion, we can look at the tank capacity can be adjusted to fit varying farm sizes, while the bomb width can be expanded for a greater coverage. And precision application, we can, a variable rate technology, we can apply it to optimize the use of fertilizer and pesticides to improving efficiency. And the lastly is about the spraying versatility. Variable nozzles offer a wider range of spraying options to suit different crops and conditions. In this case, we can have more benefits. For the example, we can increase the yields easily. Alright, for the last part for our presentation is conclusion. So in conclusion, farm mechanization significantly boosts agricultural productivity and sustainability by improving efficiency and reducing labor. Key tasks such as pest control, irrigation, and fertilizer application are crucial for healthy crops. By understanding both manual and machine-based methods, along with the specification, efficiency, and cost of farming equipment, farmers can optimize practice and reduce expenses. At Torio AgriTech, we provide innovative solutions that empower farmers and support sustainable agriculture. So that's all from us. Thank you, Doctor.